Hey cactus friends, it's Dave. Tonight we're going to plant some cactus seeds. So I'm going to just show you guys how to do it real simple like. Nursery style might use cell trays like this, or these, or just an entire open tray of media like that. But I'm going to show you guys today a really easy way to do it in like a takeout container that you could have at home. Or if you receive seeds from me and it came with one of these miniature greenhouses, which is just a cup with a lid, a dome lid. You could even save or recycle something like that. But let's get to it. I love planting different cactus from seed. And I'll just go ahead and show you guys how to do it too. So here's some of the seeds we'll be planting. And here's what a package from me with seeds in it would look like. You get some seeds and maybe a keychain or a Christmas ornament or a hat pin or a sticker or a magnet or something fun. And then a couple of cups and a bag of dirt. I like these cactus seeds. This is Cephalocercis sinensis. I might be saying it wrong and we're not gonna redo this video, but it's the old man cactus and they're really hairy. Cool, let's jump into this so that you guys can grow them yourselves. I have labels in these and they were just recently planted. And we can see the wet down dirt is in there. And then this would be after a week of growth, maybe 2 weeks for some people. We want to put them somewhere warm with bright light so that they can grow like this. And then this would be after, several months growth. Cool, I'm gonna pop you up on the stand here. What's up, homies? And we'll just say we got this cup. Open it up and it would come with a little bag of dirt and you could get your own and microwave your own maybe so that it's sterile and you don't grow any algae. This is seedling soil and it has nutrients in it and it's been pre-sterilized. So, and we're not gonna just pour it in here dry. So we're gonna measure out like an ounce of water. And if you're a pro, you could put a little plant food in your water, or you could, juice it up. Otherwise, you could just use some drinking water. All right, and now we're gonna take this bag and we're gonna shake it. And that's gonna moisten the soil. And then we'll open our bag and we'll empty it into the cup. And what I'll show you here is me leveling the soil, tamping the soil, and I've already washed my hands. And I'll show you examples of kind of a minimum soil height. And then, just like that might work too. We're leaving some room for the cactus. And honestly, the babies, they don't grow that much roots. I'll do a zoom in over here under the light so you can see the roots. The cups are cool because you can see the roots along the edge. Okay, so we've got our cup and we've got it tamped down. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna spray it so it's totally level. And we're not gonna spray too much because we don't want it just like sitting in water. And if it was sitting in water, you could like push a push pin or something underneath it and have the water drip out. So before we plant our seeds, we're making sure that our spray bottle is a nice fine mist and it's not just gonna like squirt them out. And the reason that we're using a spray bottle is, here's the cactus seeds. They're very small and they could get, like if you just poured water on there, they might get buried, or right where you pour the water, it might move the seeds so that they're not there. And you want to kind of just get an even coverage over the top of the entire level. So I'm going to very carefully put them even over the top. And I have some here. That are larger, you might be able to see. And now that they're even and over the top, we're going to gently mist, and not too much because we don't want to just flood these and we don't want to move around. And that's it. So these seeds aren't getting buried because cactus seeds need to actually receive light to sprout. They like it really sunny and really bright, but surprisingly, they like it moist. And that's why we're putting this inside of this dome. And after it sits here for a while, you'll notice it start to build humidity up against the edges and the sides. I'll grab one from over here. So when it's just chilling and hanging out, you want that. That means that there's moisture inside of there and it's happy. I can also see a couple air bubbles at the bottom, or water droplets. And that's just letting me know that the whole thing's not sitting in water, which is also good. Cool. So now we got this, and we're gonna place it in a bright, warm location. You could try for a sunny window. Make sure it's somewhere that's gonna stay warm at night. And let's get another zoom in here. I don't think there's anything else I gotta show you.